Hi, my name's Amy Whittingham. I'm workshop coordinator for the glass studio. In the cold working area, you can cut, grind, engrave, etch and sandblast glass and polish. Warm glass processes in the flat glass area include powder printing, enamelling, stained glass and copper foiling. We also have 7 kilns for fusing, slumping and glass casting. In the hot glass area, you can work small scale with lamp working and networking, and large scale with glass blowing and sand casting. We have 2 glass blowing benches, 2 layers and a preheat kiln for colour. You do have to attend a few taught sessions and have a full induction for this area. Glass powders are harmful if breathed in. We have extraction points, dust masks are recommended, and please wet clean up after yourself. If you're using machinery, you must tie your hair back. Wear eye protection and ear defenders and an apron. There's so much you can do in the glass department. Why don't you pop along and have a chat?